So let's move on then. Now, first thing first, we created Claude, we opened Claude, and from Claude we requested access a prompt that would allow us to generate an image of a website. You can see the skill video prompt has been generated, and from here we can access the prompt. The prompt will be created in OpenArt. So you can see that the Pinnacle, we've got the prompt ready to be copied. We requested a prompt for image and a prompt for the video. So we'll copy the prompt of the image and paste it in OpenArt, and of course it's 16:9 ratio, Nano Banana 2, and from there we generate an image. So we have two images to choose from. We choose the first one, which looks like a bit more of what we needed. You can see now this is the image that will help to start the video prompt, the video generation. So we go and create an image, a video from the image. Now copy the prompt of the video. It will be a 9-second video. So we copy the prompt and paste it in OpenArt. We just paste. So the video will be generated in no time. Video has been generated. So this is the video of the arrow page. Now we compare. I think I prefer OpenArt video the most. So we prefer this the most to download. I prefer this OpenArt. Download the OpenArt and move on to download and move on to Claude and say, hey Claude, I have the video here. So I pasted the video and inform Claude that the video is here, it now exists. So create the site. So it will go through and elaborate a plan to tell us what's going to happen. And you can see that the plan here has been divided into three main points. You can see that we have three main points: build index, the style, and really nothing has been changed onto the website, onto this client website. Nothing has been changed, and there you go. In no time, a site has been created, and this is an example look of the site, of the website. This is what we have just created. At the moment it's on our local workstation. This is what it looks like. This is clearly the revamped version and you can see that we have a day and night mode. That's the day mode. Submit inquiry. If you wish to submit an inquiry, a quick click and we leave. You click, everything is populated as per the original. This is the original. The user had a few animations there also, but there is always a reason why you have to recreate the revamped website without really making a 360 degree, a 180 degree change. We made some changes at certain level that makes the website a bit more attractive. Pricing, I try. As you can see now, this is the revamped version, the version that has been modified. Even though we do not have these many images, this is the revamped version that I'm demonstrating now. The pricing goes down about, and some modification will be brought in now as per the user request, such as changing the contact and adding a bit more features. The way the customer is being contacted has to change, and we might also include certain other features. Now, as you can see, the completed website is done and then ready to be shipped to the client. We can either deploy and share the link with the client, which is what we're going to do. And when the client receives, they can make their modification, their reflections, and then we can carry on with other modifications. Now, this client particularly has made some changes. As you will notice, we have gone ahead and made changes in the website. The website is now ready to be published onto Netlify. So we will copy the whole package, and it is free. You don't need to sign in. You just drop the package there and carry on, and it will carry on with the test. And here you will see that anything else will be handled by Netlify. So you can see here, I just want to share the overview with the client first. So open app.netlify.com and then drop the website folder, the complete website folder, and wait for about 10 seconds and get the URL, and possibly you will get the password. So once you have the password and the URL, you share it with your client and they can test. So I went on, let us test it ourselves before sending it over. Okay, this is a Netlify. Drag and drop your website, your folder view here. I've dropped in few seconds, about 10 seconds. You have the website is now live. So what you do, you copy the link, and the password is my drop site. Anyone in this call can go ahead and check on this site, just like the client would do, just like you would do with your client. Copy and paste. So we paste it in here and paste the password also. Password, my drop site, copy, paste. This is what you would normally do with clients. With the first contact with clients, client would not know you. You would do this and then send it over to them. And then you can see the site is live. This is on the client side. He can go ahead and test the website here and there to his pleasure. It's very important that we proceed like this to share that to client who might be hesitant. They now see how their website works. They can see now they have an AI website where anything could happen. You could plug a lot of apps in this site, such as the contact us and so on. Now, as you can see at this level, we can propose another style. You can see this in this website here. This is our original website where we sell these services. We can customize that website to have this appointment style where users will click and request a call back, and request a call. It could be a video call to see that you're real and take it from there. We could also propose a blog site. These blogs are real. This is a blog from the 16th of April. For example, 8-minute read. We can propose these things to users. This also, we can add this animation around. So we got a lot more to ask. So we asked Claude to add all these features. He has gone ahead and added everything that were asked. You can see now that this from our original site, automationhire.co.uk, where we hire experts. Now the website, the client website, has its own ready. We can just drag and drop to publish the changes and then copy to see all the changes that apply. So the paste there, and then you will see that we now have the button that are highlighting. You have the chat that displays, and then when we click on the chat, it says, yes, thank you team, we follow shortly. In the meantime, you can book a free discovery call from the calendar above. It knows that the calendar exists, and in the calendar, once we set this up, the calendar should display as expected. So again, this can be copied now and shared with the client. Now that we've made all the modifications, this is the before. We notice that these were not animated. So let's just, we just need to refresh, and you can see now that the buttons are being animated. As you can see now that the buttons are animated. It's much better in this mode. Now, this is the original drawing, and this is the revamped before and after. I think we can wrap it up here with everything, and that is only about 2 hours to get to this point. Remember, to complete the 48 hours, we have to sign up here and there to get the website and the proper domain and get it to work. Now, for this client, we just need to push this and replace the existing site, or sign up for a new with the same domain, and then maybe get them a subscription onto Netlify. And a project like this can get us an easy to start off with £100, and to complete with other domain and so on, another £100, plus maybe a maintenance, and get the website to behave like an actual website. For example, adding APIs for a secretary, possibly adding a WhatsApp, so that when people book an appointment, the owner receive a WhatsApp message rather than getting to wait for email. So thank you very much.